Ever heard of the Satanic Leaf-Tailed Gecko? Found only in Madagascar, this elusive reptile is a master of disguise. With its body resembling a withered leaf, complete with veins, notches, and even a stem tail, it can vanish into the foliage. Predators like birds and snakes are easily fooled by its impeccable camouflage. This gecko doesn't just look like a leaf. It can also flatten its body against tree bark and twist its limbs to enhance its leafy illusion. At night, it reveals another astonishing trait. Its eyes reflect light, giving an eerie glow. This helps it hunt and avoid danger in the dark. Truly, the Satanic Leaf-Tailed Gecko is nature's unparalleled mimic.